drought and high wind conditions continue to cause fire concerns here in Central Florida, and the threat is not going away anytime soon. West News Powell Tristan Aruda joins us now in the studio. Powell, there are several burn bans in effect right now.
Yeah, Mayor, we have burn bans in effect for parts of Volusia, Orange, Lake, and Polk counties. Although there isn't a ban issued in Brevard County, crews battled a brush fire in Melbourne yesterday that sent families running from their homes. It started across John Rhodes Boulevard, and the main fire quickly grew to more than 30 acres. We spoke to one woman who said she tried to grab whatever she could to fight the fire that reached her mother's home.
I'm hosing it off while I'm calling my brother and calling 911. And it just engulfed so bad that I dropped the hose, ran in and grabbed both the cats and threw them in the car and backed out.
That fire is 100% contained this morning, and it comes just a day after a fire broke out in Volusia County, just west of New Smyrna Beach. It's been dubbed the Powerline Fire. As of last check with the Florida Forest Service, that 270-acre fire is 95% contained. Now, first warning meteorologist Kellyanne Klass is joining us now. Kellyanne, those dry conditions are expected to stick around.
Yeah, and technically we're not under a red flag warning today, just because we haven't reached that threshold of the gusty conditions, but we still have a high fire danger index almost all across Central Florida this afternoon. Technically, Flagler County, you're under a moderate fire danger index, but I would still treat it like you are under a high fire danger index. This is one of the reasons why, because we have such dry vegetation. Now, we are going to get the new drought monitor later on this morning, but this is the one that was released last week. We get weekly updates, and it still shows that moderate and severe drought status for almost all of Central Florida. So just want to remind you, those current burn bans are for Lake County, Orange County, Polk County, and unincorporated Volusia County. What we're looking at least for this afternoon, winds sustained at 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll have an isolated gust or two of 20 to 25. Again, not really reaching that threshold of a red flag warning, but do want to remind you just to be aware of what you're doing outside.